Ay, grabe yung sunrise. Wala. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my God. Grabe yung mga marigold dito guys sa breakfast area namin. Sobrang lalago. Bilog na bilog at saka gold na gold yung kulay. Guys, alam niyo ba talaga ang hydrangea, they really thrive on negligence. Ito ang current view dito sa breakfast area ng aming hotel. And at the back of me, makikita nyo ang Lake Fiua, which is the center of Pokhara and a very popular tourist destination. Ito ang aming humble breakfast dito sa Hotel Adam. Pero hindi matatawaran ang view guys. Ayun. Ayun yung mga bundok. Yan. Ang tigas ng butter guys, ayaw matunaw kasi malamig.
We are going to Australian town. We're going there. We're on our way. It's our guide. Hello, Neil.
Oh, hello. Australian camp. Okay guys, yung pupuntahan natin na camp, ayun siya. Yun sa tuktok ko. So yun. May temp.
So we are here right now.
Yes.
First level lang pala talaga tayo.
Tonight our stay will be here at Australian camp.
Yes.
And from Australian camp, we hike to
Dampus. Tomorrow.
from Dampus to Ferry
Eddie.
and back to Pokhara.
Back to Pokhara. Yeah, good. Okay, simula na ng trek guys. Lipat tayo sa DJI Osmo Action. Bakit ka dyan umiinom? So currently, dumadaan pa kami ngayon sa mga kabahayan. Nasa paanan pa lang kami or sa jump off point ng Australian camp. And makikita mo pa dito yung mga kabahayan, mga lokal, living their usual normal Nepali life. Yun yung guide natin guys. That's Anil.
May white beach. White sand.
Si Doggy, sinasamahan niya kami sa aming hike. At ang kapal-kapal ng fur niya. Doggy! Let's go! Nakakatuwa talaga guys every time makakakita ng prayer flags like that. Para saan ba ang mga prayer flag?
Prayer flag, isa siyang symbol na sa Buddhism. Ang ibig sabihin, nilalagay siya sa labas para yung mga prayers mo. Kasi bawat flag niyan may prayers, dadalhin siya ng wind. At yung prayers mo, dinadala siya ng wind. So yung prayer flags, mga Omni, Padma, something. Bawat color may naka-inscribe na prayers. At nilalagay siya sa labas para hanginin siya. At every time nahahangin yung prayer mo ng bawat color, like prayer for love, compassion, all throughout humanity, na-spread siya every time na humahangin at gumagana yung prayer.
Guys, ano kaya itong dinadry na to? Ano kaya itong dinadry?
Parang sa Diguelas.
Nagtanggal na muna ako ng jacket kasi mainit yung pag-aakyat pinagpapawisan yung katawan ko. Pero malamig pa rin. Guys, tinan nyo yung daan nila papuntang school talagang Pilapil at gubat talaga. I think yung school andun siya sa may banda pa dun na parang nadaanan namin kanina. Pero yun, very payak ang pamumuhay dito. So this trek guys, as you can see, is full of stairs. Established yung trail. Hindi siya rugged or snowy. 50 minutes left, we're halfway there. Nakakahingal guys, no? Kapag wala kang practice ng hiking. Kahit short lang yung hike. Lalo pa ngayon, na puro hagdan yung inaakit namin. So, alam mo yun, matindi yung hingal. Let's muna saglit.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this trekking since like I was 18.
18?
Yeah.
And how old are you now?
I'm 25 right now.
18, 19, 21. 6
About
years.
Like 6, 7 years.
7 years.
Yes.
Pastip ng pastip yung daan guys. Pero puro hagdan eh. Sobrang nakakahingal. Doon kami galing guys.
The permaculture is basically designing human ecosystems, not just agriculture. You can use permaculture principles for finance, applications.
Parang same lang naman guys yung flora nila dito sa Pilipinas, sa Nepal. Laki ng manok guys. Super lapit na namin sa Australian camp. Just a few hundred meters left. Ito yung view ng kabundukan guys. Tignan nyo, layers and layers of mountains. Palayo ng palayo, napakalawak ng kabundukan dito sa Pokhara, Nepal. Ayun na yung flag na nakita natin sa baba kanina. We are here at the Australian camp. Officially here, we've arrived. And just look at the view here of the mountains of Machu Picchu. Look at that. That's the Machu Picchu. Pero natatakpan pa nga siya ngayon ng ulap. Mamaya kukuha natin siya ng mas magandang view. Nakalimutan ko may kasama nga pala itong meal. Itong trek. Chicken biryani as well for lunch. I like it really hot.
The coldest I've been to.
Ay sobrang lamig dito sa Australian camp. Kain na tayo. Himalayan Shepherd guys.
Yeah, gari-gari.
Natin yung Nepalese flag niyo. Nepalese flag.
So it's rectangular shape. It resembles the mountains. And you see up there, one part, there is a moon, sun, and the red parts they resembles the people. And the blue is the blue sky.
Oh yes. Ang lamig ngayon dito sa Pokhara guys. Nasa ano kami, bundok. This is the Tulakarka camp in Pokhara, Nepal, and it's just about to, the sun is just about to set for today, and if I zoom in, we can see the peak of Pachakuchare, or the Fishtail Mountain, pero may harang pa eh. Sobrang lamig dito guys ngayon, as in naninigas yung kamay ko sa lamig ng temperature.